Once you're confident that you've got this connected, if it doesn't work, we'll know pretty quickly. It's either not going to show up in the devices folder, or we'll get a nonsense temperature. So we'll know pretty quickly if it's not set up. And there's no damage to be done right now. So what you want to do is turn your Raspberry Pi back on. For the time being, you don't need to go to the GUI. You can leave it in the command line. And you're going to want to do this. This is, I don't know why we have to do this, but these did not function until we did this, and I trolled a bunch of forums to find out why. And again, the only thing I can really come to the conclusion of is hardware gets shipped before software is ready. So what they needed to do is make sure that all the GPIO pins work. So once you're at your command line in your terminal, you want to execute this. You want to open up this config file. So sudo nano space /boot /config.txt. You want to open that up. What you want to do now is we're going to write a couple commands. Now it's in the handout you guys have. So everything I'm showing up here, you guys also have. So we're going to activate the pins for reading. So in the command line, sudo space modprobe is one word space w1-gpio. You hit enter. It acts as if nothing happened. Then you do the next line, sudo modprobe w1 therm. So the next thing we want to do, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the folder where your device is located. Okay? So the way you do that, we change directories. So it'll be cd space, and then we're going to go to this absolute file. So sysbus w1 devices. When you're there, after you do that, type ls. It's not listed up here. I can change this so that it does say that. But what I'm looking for is a long number that starts with 28. If you've done this, or if you did it right, or if everything worked right, I'm sure you did it right. If everything worked right, you're going to see something that spits out some numbers and letters. And at the bottom, you're going to see something that says T equals some number, some 5-digit number. It starts with a 2. That's the temperature in Celsius times 1,000. Okay, so the temperature in this room is not 21,937. The temperature in this room is 21.937 degrees Celsius. If you put your finger and hold it on that transistor for a little bit, and then you hit up arrow and do it again, you'll notice you get a higher temperature.